This is the StreamLocator Hub. What is it? Is it a router? It looks like a router. Does it work as a VPN? Is it a router? Is it a VPN? Will it slow down my internet speed like a VPN does? Just how easy is it to set up? Well, we're going to find out right now, so stay tuned. But first, guys, if you like this kind of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a video. And now, let's get to it. Welcome back, guys. This is the StreamLocator Hub. It's basically a router that you can connect any device to via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. But it's more than just a router. With this device, you can access geo-blocked content from over 55 different streaming apps, including things like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, all the ones you're familiar with, and a bunch of them that you probably never heard of. Once you set it up, the hub automatically detects what streaming app you're using and will unblock the content that you want to watch. You can use it as a primary router plugged directly into your cable modem from your ISP, or you can use it as a secondary router, plug it right into your router from your ISP, and it'll set up a second Wi-Fi network for you. Because it's basically a router, it doesn't slow down your internet speeds. So let's check it out now. So first we're going to check out my internet speeds, which generally get around 95 to 100 megabits down and about 12 megabits up. Now we're going to test out the StreamLocator Hub and see what kind of speeds we're getting. Now once you receive your StreamLocator Hub, one of the things you have to do is set it up online. So you can use your mobile device, you can use your laptop, or you can use your desktop. You're going to go to StreamLocator.com, sign in, and there you can set up your router for whatever streaming app services that you want to access from whatever country you want to access. So let's say you want to access Netflix geo-block programs that are streaming in the UK, for instance. So we're going to go in and we're going to set Netflix so that it automatically detects that you want to stream from the UK. Now once you do that, the hub is going to automatically detect when you want to watch Netflix in the UK, and you just play the program. I'm in the US, so I can't watch a lot of the content that Netflix streams in the UK. But once it's enabled in the settings, let's see what it can do. So first, scroll over to your settings, go down to Network, and you're going to look for StreamLocator and sign into your Wi-Fi router. Then it's going to connect. Once it's connected, you want to go down to My Fire TV and you're going to restart your Firestick. Now once it restarts, it automatically detects your new Netflix settings. And now I can access programs from the UK that were previously blocked. So the StreamLocator Hub doesn't actually replace your VPN, it doesn't encrypt your data, and it doesn't change your IP address the way a VPN does. So if you're concerned about your privacy and you want to encrypt your data, you're still going to need a VPN. That's why I still continue to recommend both IPVanish and ExpressVPN. I'll leave links in the description below. Make sure you check them out. I've got some great discounts on them, and you'll be helping out the Rich Man channel. Now what the StreamLocator Hub does is use what's called smart DNS technology. That technology will unblock over 55 different streaming apps. It allows you to view their region-locked content from anywhere in the world. Now keep in mind, you have to already be subscribed to these services. So you're not going to be able to start Netflix, for example, and get their programming without already having a sign-in. So keep that in mind. Most of you already know that the big streaming companies geo-block their content in different parts of the world. That way, their particular content is only available in that region. Now, a VPN gets around this geo-blocking by connecting to a server in the region of the world where you want to view the content from. What's great about the StreamLocator is once you set it up, it does it all for you automatically. There's no signing into a VPN. You just start up your streaming app and you're good to go. Also, unlike a VPN, you won't face any VPN blocks. These blocks can occur when the major streaming apps or services like Netflix and Hulu, for instance, when they detect that you're trying to stream from a location that they recognize as an IP address of a VPN in their region. They keep a whole database of these, so a lot of times your viewing is blocked in those regions. But with the StreamLocator Hub, you don't have to worry about that because your IP address doesn't change. It's coming from your address. So when you're viewing geo-block content, the StreamLocator Hub is a far superior way to view that content instead of a VPN. A VPN is still necessary to encrypt your data, but for viewing geo-locked content, the StreamLocator Hub is the way to go. Now, there is a yearly subscription fee, but the first year is included in the price of the router itself. So is the StreamLocator Hub worth your money? In my opinion, it's a great little device, and it's also a good little router. So number one, you're getting a great router, and number two, you're able to automatically connect to those services that are geo-blocked in your part of the world. It's a win-win. I'll leave links in the description below so you can check it out for yourself, see if it's something that you might be able to use, and you'll get an exclusive discount from the Rich Man channel. So do yourself a favor. If you're going to be watching geo-block content from other countries, get yourself a StreamLocator Hub. Take it from Rich Man. You'll be glad you did. This is Rich Man. I'll see you next time.